This video is sponsored by Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. What happened? Please help me. David, I told you 100 times. You have to use the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. These earbuds don't just offer the best possible audio quality. Wearing them, you'll feel inside the sound. Huh? The exclusive coaxial dual driver technology delivers high and low frequency sound directly to your ear without interference. Their unique RAD technology is using a noise reduction algorithm that adapts to your environment and will cancel the noise, allowing you to enjoy music anywhere. Personally, I love this feature and I also use them to rest. And if you want more, you can use the dedicated app to customize various parameters such as equalization. Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro, best audio quality at their price range. Check the link in the description.